Hi friends, now I am going to show you and tell you the basics of Excel which we need to learn. Firstly, open all apps and search for Microsoft Office Excel. Here we can see Microsoft Office Excel. Book 1 Microsoft Excel. In any Excel application, the sheets present in it will be by default 3, but when we open it from all apps, the sheets will be present is only 1. To add more, we can click insert worksheet, means this button, or simply shift plus F11. Here we can see now we are in sheet 2, now in sheet 3, now in sheet 1. Friends, this is known as the quick access toolbar. Save, redo, undo. This all will come under quick access toolbar, or if we want to customize it, we can also add form button. I have added it to show you how we can disable it or enable it, and the fill or free handle also. To customize it, we can click directly from here. This is the shortcut, and then click more commands and it will come to customize. Then here we have to choose commands not in ribbon and then search for form. And when we search, here I have got, but as it is there in mine, first I will remove and I will show you. Now in mine, in my desktop, there is no form button. So to enable it, double click it. It will be added it and then click OK. Here we can see form button. And next one is, or this is the shortcut way, the direct process or the correct process is through going through file and then clicking Excel options and then customize category and then commands not in ribbon and searching for form and then adding it. This is the right process to do, or the shortcut and the simplest way is through this. And this is the right down corner, we can see a small dot. This is known as fill handle or free handle. Now we can see our cursor is in white position. Now if I take to that dot, it will become plus black. When it becomes that, we can use it. Now I will show you how to use it. Type anything like 1, 2, and now firstly click 1, and then if you drag it, there will, as a difference between 1 and 0 is 1, so the 1 will only come as I have done like this. 1, enter, 2. Then what I have done here is I have dragged from 1 this cursor, but if I try to do it from keeping like this only and then shift plus down arrow, now we can see it is not near the 1 down. Below 1 there is no dot, but below 2 it is there. So if we drag from here, the difference between them, the 1 and 2 is 1, and for every number the 1 will be added, as the difference between 1 and 2 is 1, and it will be added to everything. If you ask me when I have done with 1, why it has come 1? Because the difference between 0 and 1 will be, every time it will be 1. But the difference between 1 and 2 will be also 1. But when I have dragged from 2, the difference and the difference and the addition will be done. Like, once I will drag you and show you. Here we can see 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. We can see that for every number, its successor will be added by 1. And when we take this, here the 0 is the 0 plus 1, every time it will becomes 1. So if I take 1, 1 comma 1, 1 plus 1 we cannot see because here I have mentioned 2, so it will see the difference and it will add it. But here there is no difference because the difference is only 1 and the difference will be remain 1. And when we are taking numbers like this, we can also try in the words like Monday. When Monday comes, the next will be the Tuesday. Now let's try to drag this. First by pressing on Monday, if I will do drag it, again I will get like 1 itself because just now I have said the difference will be the same here also will be applicable. So shift plus down arrow should be once again, and then here we can see down the Tuesday. Now it will be added. Here we can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Go on. Like this we can see. And how to in some desktops or laptops the fill handle or free handle will be disabled, and in some desktops or laptops it will be enabled. I will show you how to enable this. As I have just said now, by clicking file and going through Excel options, we need to not click now customize category, but it's up the advanced category. Then here we can see enable fill, handle and cell drag and drop. If we remove this and check out, here there is no dot. When I am taking the cursor down the right also it is not becoming black, and here we cannot see a small square or circle. And so to enable it again, we need to click file and then Excel options, and then from there we need to go to advanced category and press here enable fill handle and cell drag and drop. Then click OK. Here again we can see the fill handle or free handle. And to some people wants to know that if what is the last number or the last row or column in the Excel, they try to drag like this only the cursor. It takes so much of time, but they don't get the answer correctly and they stop it. But to know it, we have a simple technique, that is by pressing Control, and now we are at the left up corner, so press it to the right corner. Now I have pressed Control plus right arrow. Now we can see the last column in Excel is XFD. XFD. Now let's try same to the down arrow, like pressing Control and down arrow. Now we can see the last row in the Excel sheet is 10,48,576 rows are there in an Excel sheet. Control, and now we will try, as now we are in XFD but the row remains the same but we want to go to the column A. So again click Control and left arrow. We can see we are at down left and the row is A. So this is known as here A column 10,48,576 in the name box. And to go, we can click again Control and up arrow. Now we have came to A1 again back. And beyond, I will come up with the next upcoming videos and let you know my videos. To let you know my videos, please subscribe my channel or like, share or comment on it. Thank you.